Is your webcam image upside down or mirrored incorrectly on Windows 11? Here's how to fix it. Now to give you an example, as you can see, if I open my camera on Windows, it's the right side up and it's not inverted. However, we have the scenario when we open a Zoom meeting or a Google Meet meeting, our camera is inverted. To show you an example, I'm going to start a Zoom meeting right now. And as you can see right there, my camera is inverted and I don't know why. To fix this, go to your toolbar below, search for the camera, and click on the up arrow button. You should see video and effect settings, click on that. Once you click on it, it should pull up this window right here on the side of your screen. And to unmirror your camera, just uncheck this box, and my camera is now fixed. On Google Meet, however, it's a different story. What we need to do is we need to add an extension to unmirror our camera. First thing that you need to do is search for mirror mode on Google Meet on your browser. Once you search for it, click on the first website that appears. And once you're here, just click on the Add to Chrome button on the right side. After that, click Add Extension. Now wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, go back to Google Meet. Now we need to use that extension. To use an extension, click on this puzzle piece right here on the top right corner of your screen and click on the extension that we just downloaded. Now if I try to toggle it, it doesn't work. If it doesn't work still, just leave the meeting, rejoin, and try using the extension again. Now when we try to use the extension again, by clicking the checkbox, as you can see, I'm toggling the mirror of my camera. Now let's see if it will work inside the meeting. Let's try to open the extension again and toggle our camera by using the checkbox. There, it's working. So that's how you fix a mirror or upside down webcam on Windows 11.